Students, before studying example number 2 for oxidation and reduction reaction, let me first explain you a trick to remember what happen what happens in oxidation and reduction reaction. Students, just remember it with the help of oil and rig. Full form for oil is oxidation is loss and reduction is gain. That is, oxidation is loss of hydrogen and reduction is gain of hydrogen. If one you will remember, the other will automatically you will remember. If hydrogen is removing in oxygen, that means oxidation. In oxygen is adding in oxidation. And if reduction is gain of hydrogen, that means it is removal of oxygen. Quite simple. Okay, students. Also, students, you will ask me if to study oxidation and reduction reaction in terms of oxygen or hydrogen is the earlier concept. So, what is the new concept? Students, new concept to study oxidation and reduction reaction is addition and removal of electrons, which you will study in class 11th in chapter redox reaction. Full detail you will study in that. Okay, so students, we will now understand example number 2. So our example number 2 is, students, please take out page number 40 of your textbook and see the reaction, which is in example number 2. When hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine, then sulfur and hydrogen chloride are formed. Students, जब हम हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड और क्लोरीन को रिएक्ट करवाएंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? सल्फर और हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड मिलेगा. Students, I have already told you that removal of hydrogen is what? It is oxidation. So, see the reaction clearly. Then only you are going to understand this. From hydrogen sulfide H2S, hydrogen is removing and sulfur is forming as a product. This hydrogen is used by chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. So students, removal of hydrogen is what? Is oxidation, and gain of hydrogen is what? Is reduction. So you can say that hydrogen sulfide is changing into sulfur. That means hydrogen sulfide is being oxidized to sulfur. हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड जो है वो ऑक्सीडाइज होके सल्फर में टर्न हो गया है. एंड chlorine is changing into HCl. That means chlorine is being reduced to hydrogen chloride. क्लोरीन जो है वो रिड्यूस होके हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड फॉर्म कर लिया है. स्टूडेंट्स, H2S and chlorine both are good friends. Thus, H2S asked help from chlorine. So, chlorine helped H2S by oxidizing it to sulfur and reducing itself to HCl. Thus, here in this reaction, hydrogen sulfide is the reducing agent and chlorine is oxidizing agent. Students, please see the reaction which is given on page number 40. the last reaction on this page. This reaction is also redox reaction because in this reaction both the reactions are there, which is oxidation and reduction reaction.